Okay, so today we are talking about right angles. What are right angles and how can we tell if a pair of angles are right angles? The first thing we want to do is we want to use our eyes, and with inspection with our eyes, we are going to see what clues does the picture give us to let us know that the angle is a right angle. So if you look at this picture here, we have an angle with a box. And then we have an angle that has a 90-degree sign. Right angles equal 90 degrees and measure. One symbol or sign that lets us know an angle is a right angle is you'll see a box. So step one, with your eyes, look and see if the angle has a box or a square. It's the same thing. If you see a box, then that means it's a 90-degree angle. Also, sometimes you'll see that the angle will have the number 90 written right there, also telling us that it's 90 degrees. So, if you see a box or a 90-degree sign, then an angle is a right angle. Okay, now let's look at an example. Here's a picture of an angle. The angles are labeled. Our first angle is, remember when we name angles, we draw a picture of an angle. Our first angle is MKL. MKL. Our second angle is MKJ. Now, let's do some inspection with our eyes. Step one tells us to look and see if there is a box or a square inside the angle. Do we see a box or a square? No. So, there's no box or square for MKL, and there's no box or square where there is MKJ. Now, let's look to see step two. Do we see a 90-degree written where the angle is? Do you see 90 degrees inside the angle? No, there's no 90 degrees written over here, and there's no 90 degrees written over here. So now we know that these two angles fail to meet the requirements of right angles. Now you're probably saying to yourself, but it looks like a right angle. Sure, it looks like a right angle, but unless they put a box there or they put a 90-degree measurement sign inside the angle, we cannot assume that it is a right angle. This angle could be 89 degrees, and this angle could be 91 degrees, for all we know. Yes, it may look like a right angle, but no, it's not. Thank you for watching this video.